This is one crazy road, and people do not drive slowly on it. There's where we're going, Ruby Falls. I wonder if anyone's ever driven right off. You enter through the gift shop. That's pretty. But we'll stop by here at the end of the tour. Oh, I like those. That's cool. All right, Zoltar.
60 feet. We're going to take the crew and be lowered into the shaft today.
So here's our entrance right off the elevator. Very low ceiling. We got to catch up to our group.
Bed down there about an hour and 15 minutes. We're going to walk 1 mile round trip. But the first thing we're going to do, we're going to walk back a short distance, watch a 5-minute movie about how Ruby Falls was discovered.
Leo Lambert, a young man living in Chattanooga, had played in Lookout Mountain Cave with his friend Jimmy Fuller for years. In 1923, Mr. Lambert began investigating the concept of drilling an elevator shaft into the side of Lookout Mountain in an effort to reach the old Lookout Mountain Cave and potentially reopen it to the public.
So we were told this was all cut out. This little area up here is the original cave that they discovered and crawled through for 7 hours. So this is what it looked like when it was discovered. Without the light, of course.
Elephant's foot. That's pretty cool, because that is what it looks like.
So he crawled and crawled and crawled for 7 hours until finally, and this is it. This is where he could first stand. I'm guessing he was up here and not in the path that we're following. But you can see it does open up quite a bit. Wow.
Alright, so my group, we're going to move forward, and you guys on the other group can probably try to move forward as well.
So this is a candlestick and cactus, and they said we are allowed to touch this one. Ooh, it feels just like you would imagine. It's smooth like glass. Wow. Of course, been, going on almost 100 years of people touching it. So that probably smoothed it out too over time. Very interesting. Oh, look at this. This looks like the inside of someone's mouth. Wow. Here's what they said looked like a chandelier when they first saw it. Apparently the name stuck. And that's a totem pole. They do some nice things with lighting down here. Well, I don't know, everybody's touching it. So I guess we're allowed. But the front doesn't look like the front side of a donkey. And the tour guide said this is called Ruby's Drapery.
There's even one formation that looks like a large leaning tower. The mineral deposits down in the caves are abundant, with the gray limestone walls, white calcium carbonate, iron oxide with its reddish-brown coloration, and black manganese.
So interesting, all the different shapes that can occur from basically the same thing. Dripping water, taking minerals with it. They did manage to find a nice way to hide the lights, so it emphasizes the stone structures and you're not seeing too many lights and cables around the cave. Like this one, hidden beneath an outcropping. It's getting a little skinny here. Tight, tight.
But the whole time, we have been walking back into Lookout Mountain. So with the dust going down, the mountain has continued to build up over our heads. That's how we got so deep on the ground. Now, Ruby Falls is in the room behind me, 145 feet tall. It falls in only a 4 to 5 foot deep pool of water. We are not sure where the water comes from or where it goes. It flows out of and into cracks at both ends of the cave.
Oh my Lord. A couple 100 feet up there. My goodness. This is the one that's worth your $23. One can only imagine what this must have been like to be the first person to come across it. It's absolutely stunning. Into a pool of only 4 to 5 feet of water. They don't know where it comes from or where it goes. It's hard to believe. Now that was cool, but now the lights went out, which is telling us it's time for you to leave. But this does look spooky, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And here's a western sunset. But I wonder if it would look like a western sunset if they hadn't put the red light back there. Even though we already came through this way, it really is a different view coming than going. You see different things. Almost looks like a different cavern in many ways. So pay attention on your way out. Look at that strange formation. Looks like another dragon foot, doesn't it? Look at that strange little vein that runs all the way up. And a second look at the dragon's foot.
Probably some American foot.
And I'm pretty sure this is a leaning column from the other side, which they said was the oldest formation in the entire cavern. It's an interesting phenomena that no matter where there's water, people throw coins into it. This is where he originally crawled when they opened up this cavern. For 7 hours he crawled here. Just by the light of the lantern. Well, flashlights. It was the 1920s. Steak and potatoes. Yeah, I can see it. Once again, I'm way behind everybody else.
Can you imagine crawling on your stomach all the way through that? Elbow in it, shimmying.
Along with the
Now we're heading back up.
drink or hot beverage. Gift shop and choose a memento from our
Like many of these attractions, they took your picture when you went in. They wanted $40. $40 for 4 pictures when you came out. Nah, I'm not going to pay that. I took a picture of myself down there. You all saw it. Let's take a look at the gift shop. Because you know what I always say, if it doesn't have a shot glass, it's not a gift shop. Well, here's some glasses. Look at that weird shaped glass. I don't see any shot glasses though. Oh, here they are. Okay, it's an official gift shop. $5.99. Ruby Falls shot glass. They've got it. Oh, here's more shot glasses. They have a lot of them. Wow, these are $6.99. These have kind of a texture to them on the pictures. That's pretty cool. This one says Ruby. This is $6.99 as well. Oh, there we go. That would be the one, wouldn't it? Mark Ruby Falls. We've got magnets. The magnets are in real stone. That's cool. And of course we have hats and shirts. It is kind of a neat logo. Looks a little retro. How about that? Ruby Falls 1929. And postcards. I've already picked up my Patreon sponsor postcards for this trip. So I think I'll pass. There's fake arrowheads, gemstones, and even little Peruvian carved animals. $3. Now that's the kind of souvenir that you can take home and won't take up a lot of room. I didn't get enough exercise today, so I'm climbing all the way up to the viewing area. It's supposed to have a pretty magnificent view of the city of Chattanooga, Tennessee River, Lookout Mountain. They say it's the highest point on Ruby Falls, and I'm getting tired. Oh, there's more up there. You're gonna have to climb up there. There's the tower. So here we go. Right up to the tower. I might have to get something to drink when I'm done with this. This is giving me a powerful thirst. I'll have to oh, that's a zip line. I can't head over there unless I want a zip line. What a beautiful view. Right down there is the Tennessee River, and this is what they call Moccasin Bend. It does pretty much a 180-degree bend, heads right back where it came. Beautiful view, well worth the walk. We started out way down there. Thanks for joining me, everybody, on this tour of Ruby Falls. As always, I encourage you to like and share the videos. If you haven't already, please subscribe and ring that bell icon up above so you know when I post new videos. Oh, and leave your comments down below. From Chattanooga, Tennessee, and Ruby Falls, I'm Mark with the Average Me Channel. So let's pick up a few of these. These are some nice, classic-looking vacation postcards. And if your vacation budget has already stretched itself to the limit, the neat thing is you can come here, park for nothing, go up to the top of that tower, you can see the magnificent view, look at the gift shop, and it doesn't cost you a dime. It only costs money if you actually go through the tour. So that's pretty cool.